only $700,000, living a beautiful green environment only half an hour away from downtown Toronto. Is it still possible? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm a real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one pre-construction townhouse project called Park District from Pickering. From both the name and the cover page of this project, you can sense what type of living style this project gives you. The developer has one line of self-introduction. It says, watch your kids run barefoot through the grass. So you can imagine the environment you are living in. So you can see, once again, there are creeks, woods, hiking trail, conservation area. So it's really very suitable for families. In terms of location, this is where we are at. It's at the intersection of Brock Road and Taunton Road. It is in Pickering. So Pickering is located in Durham Region to the east side of City of Toronto. You can see that when the traffic is light, you can arrive in downtown Toronto in just about slightly over half an hour. I want to spend a bit of time talk about Pickering and Durham Region if you're not very familiar with it. The beginning of each month, I will walk you through the Market Watch newsletter from Toronto Real Estate Board. So in the just ended October 2021, across the whole Toronto Real Estate Board, the whole GTA, we know the average sold price for all property types is $1.155 million. But Durham region is actually one of the most affordable region because their average sold price is still under $1 million. So this is like 17% cheaper than the total GTA. Certain property types is even more obvious. For example, if you look at the detached houses in 416 area, City of Toronto area, you can see it's almost about 1.8 million. But in Durham, you can have it for slightly over 1.1 million. So the price, the detached house, the price in Durham region is only 60% of what that is for the whole Greater Toronto area average. So we all know that in the past 1 year, due to the low interest rate, the whole Greater Toronto area realized a quite significant increase. So for example, the whole area, the GTA, in October, we had almost 20% increase. You probably would think that is quite remarkable growth. But Durham region largely beat that and realized almost 1/3 growth comparing with last year, same period, 2020, October. So for Durham region, not only the price point is a lot more friendly, a lot more affordable and attracting lots of first-time buyers, the quite high growth rate also attracted lots of investors. I think this situation probably is going to carry on for some time. So that is why Durham region is really worth our attention. So this is the environment. So we can see we are very close to Beverly Morgan Park, Ravine, hiking trail. So we are surrounded by these green areas, and Lake Ontario is just also quite close to us. So in a beautiful summer day, you can just take your family and spend your day next to the lakeshore. But the green environment did not sacrifice urban life's convenience. We're also surrounded by lots of shopping and entertainment facilities. I do not want to go through every single name of these restaurants and shopping malls, but you can see there's no shortage of these. Okay, some facts about this project. I do apologize again, it's in Chinese, but this is for me to save the time to quickly introduce the project to you. The developer is Icon Homes. So it is not the two big ones like Mankis or Tridel, but it did establish as early as 1963. And this builder focused on developing projects in Pickering. So they really know the neighborhood and the people there. we are very close to downtown Toronto. It's only 30 minutes drive. And if you want to go to Markham, that's also just another 20 minutes. So you really do not need to waste too much time on transit. In terms of property type, actually we have three types. We have the traditional townhouse. We also have this stacked townhouse and back-to-back stacked townhouse. So let's take a look at the whole site of this project. So in the middle, these are back-to-back stacked townhouse, and those are the blue ones. And these ones, these yellow ones, they are traditional townhouse. So the price also are different. So let me just quickly show you. I want to choose one typical floor plan so you can take a look. So for example, this is one of the very typical floor plan for a townhouse. I believe this is the traditional one. So the lower floor, you come in, there's a garage, right? It's actually, I believe this is a 2-car garage because it's quite long. Then you will come to the main floor, which is the family members spend most of the time together. Stair comes in the middle of the floor and separates into two parts. In the middle, you will have a kitchen, and then very next to a breakfast area, which you'll also have a window, or you can even have a nice view. On the other side, it's a very sizable great room or living room. Family can spend time to watch TV or have a chat. And then you also can step out to a balcony, quite large balcony as well. And then in the upper floor, it's for bedrooms. Again, the stairs come in the middle, and then on one side, you have a master bedroom. It's actually quite sizable. You can see, you actually can choose this option. The big ones, you have even up to 170 square feet. And you have a walk-in closet, and then ensuite washroom, even have option to turn into 2 sinks. On the other side, you have 2 bedrooms, and even the smaller one, you will have about 100 square feet, right? So quite sizable. These 2 bedrooms share 1 washroom. Okay, so this floor plan, it's about slightly above 2,000 square feet, and it's most typical 3-bedroom, 2.5 washrooms. All right, so before I go, I want to quickly show you the price. So we will start with the Parkland. So Parkland are these guys, these red ones. So they are stacked townhouse. We can see that we start with just slightly below 1,000 square feet, and they go up as high as 1,400 square feet. And the price is from $700,000 to slightly above $800,000. And then we will be looking at Timberland. So Timberland are the traditional townhouse. Actually, they are POTL, so they're very close to freehold townhomes, and they have a flat fee, $139.95 per month. So these are POTL. Their size are much bigger. They're starting from 1,500, goes to above 2,000 square feet. Their price is $960,000 to 1.15 million. So these are these guys, the yellow ones. So they are the POTL townhouse, much more spacious. Lastly, we'll look at Trailhead. Trailhead are the blue ones. These are in the middle. So they are not only stacked townhouse, meaning you have either upper floor or lower floor neighbors. You also have a neighbor at your back. So they're back-to-back townhouses. So they are the most affordable ones. When we look at the price, you really can see they're just above 600,000, and it goes to 960,000. Okay, so again, because they really have different property types, and you can go after whatever your budget allows you. This project right now is inviting buyers. So very soon it's going to start their allocation of all the units. We see that we don't have so many units, but so if you like this location and you like its very attractive price, talk to us as soon as possible so we can lock the unit for you. Okay, looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.